Yep, that sucked. What's going on, everybody? Well, today we're gonna be doing another plumbing job. Well, here's the story to that. Well, why should I say we? It was me. Shut down the well 2 years ago and didn't bleed all of the lines out of the barn. And it froze and cracked a couple pipes and cracked a ball valve. So today we're gonna get all that fixed so I can have my bathroom back. So we're on our way to go pick up the parts we need. I'll catch you back at the house. So I was thinking on my way home from the hardware store, how many trips is it gonna take me to go to the hardware store and back to get this job done? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Are you done? Because I don't want to make this weird. Let's go ahead and go on. So, we made it back. And we gotta kill the power to the pump, bleed all the pressure off. What you guys So our first issue is this ball valve. See where the corrosion is right there? There's a hairline crack in it. When I opened it up last year, noticed that, and then I'll show you what's broke on the inside. Our next issue is this right here. See how that one's got a 90 on it? Well, the 90 broke off of this one right there, so I'm gonna reattach the hard line to here. So we're gonna tighten this up. All right, let's cover this back up. Safekeeping. Like so. All right. Well, I know there's a leak coming from over there. I just don't know what exactly is leaking. The reason why is I haven't gotten up here yet. So, there's a crack right there. So, what I'm thinking is cut it about here, redo this elbow, and maybe scab a piece in there. Depending on my flex line here and how much flex it actually has, I might be able to get away with just scabbing this piece to this piece. I don't know yet. We'll find out. All right, here goes nothing. Why are you guys laying down on the job? Okay. Side one, complete. Well, it cracked more. There we go. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see me, because I can't see you right now. Alright, if I move that there, I can put that there. Cool. Yeah. Giggity giggity. Yeah. Really? Okay. Primer. 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 since that can was that hard to open. This one probably is too. Ah, got it. Yeah. All right. Okay. Cement. Cement. Push that together like so. Cement. Cement. That around. Push you in like so. And get the blue juice on me. So, connected that. It runs up here now to here. That one goes to there. First, we're gonna start by taking these clamps off. No, we're not actually. Yes, we are. Okay. I'll loosen them at least and letting them fall down. Not really sure how I'm going to do this yet. Trying to figure out what's going to be the easiest way to do this. I think I was turning it the wrong way. Well, we're going to grab the big daddies. Looks like if I take those off, this clamp off, I might give myself a little more wiggle room. What kind of calamity am I going for here? Calamity. That's what I'm causing. Big daddies. See if the big daddies will work. Yep, that sucked. We gotta go see what's on the other side of that wall, because it might be easier just to spin it off at the 90 degree. So I just checked what's on the opposite side of this, and it will be easier just to do this and get it off. Then it will be, yep, see? And then now I can work with this. Well, I got everything put back together, so now we gotta put this little guy right here. It's all put back together. We're gonna put it back, and it's home, where it came from. You can see right in there, there's a PVC pipe that attaches to, come on, focus, to that side. So we're just tightening up these clamps. Nice and tight. Make sure that it's not gonna leak from here. Reinstall the small clamp here. Hey, go back to your home. Well, everything's reinstalled. I'm gonna need you guys now to watch my water lines, see if anything leaks. Let me know. I'm gonna go turn the well on now. Well, this ain't supposed to happen. Okay. I can't even see through my glasses right now. Yeah, I'm covered in water. I give up. I'm gonna have to get another one of those plastic connectors for it. Because that one's either all chewed up or that hose, the black hose is all chewed up. So, gotta think on this one. Might cut the black hose, connect it lower, and then just run a metal union up to it and see if that would work. So I'll be back. So we just got back from the hardware store again, and let me show you what we picked up. Picked up this and this barb. We're gonna be cutting this about here and attaching the metal pipe into there. All right, I just took it back apart. You guys saw me the first time take it apart, so I skipped over that. So we're back again from the hardware store. This time we picked up this. This one, as you see, clearly is the wrong size. So, let's take it off and repeat this process over and over.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit.
So what's the bet it leaks this time? I'm going, it's gonna be good. So let's see. I'm gonna go turn the well back on.
Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
It's leaking right there. Gotta take it back apart. As you see now, no more. All wrapped up. Better than what it was. It's the only way to do it, is to leave it better than what you found it. So as you see, this one's not leaking, which is good. There's no water coming out of here either. This is all residual from when I was trying to find the leak. So if you guessed 3 trips to the hardware store, guess what? You're right. So hopefully you guys learned some stuff. Don't be like me and mess up as many times as I did. So here's to another day of living out here.